What's up, YouTube? So in today's video, this video is basically to get most of you guys, if you're not investing, start investing in the stock market, because that's one way and a great opportunity for you to build wealth for the long term. I'm always obligated for people to invest, because since I understand the value of investing, is like I try to let everybody see the same thing and invest in the stock market. If you don't understand how to invest in the stock market, do some research before you put your hard-earned cash into the stock market. So in today's video, we're going to talk about my entire stock portfolio, the type of trades that I'm doing, and how I plan to grow my portfolio to $1 million in the next 6 to 5 years. So without no further ado, let's jump right into it. So guys, my entire portfolio right now is currently sitting at $152,978.26. So I started this portfolio back in March of 2020, guys, with only $7.50. My first trade was Plug Power, and I didn't understand what I was doing. I just wanted to get in the market because at that time everybody was hyping the stock market and everybody just wanted to get in and make money. So after that, I started doing some research, and even in my car when I got time, guys, I still have it. I already read this book, but for me, it's so much knowledge inside of that book that I still gotta read it again to really understand the stock market of Benjamin Graham. And that book teach me a lot of stuff that I didn't know about the stock market. And I'm gonna continue to gain knowledge and build knowledge to understand to trade the stock market. So in order for you to understand the stock market, the first thing I will advise anyone to do is invest in the S&P or in index fund until you get the grasp of the stock market. And if you want to day trade, option trade, and short a stock. So basically, what I'm doing right now to generate wealth and continue to grow this portfolio, I invest in a lot of dividend companies, and after that I'm gonna take the profit and reinvest in that company, and I do a lot of option trade. So if you could see right here, guys, I have 4 option calls that's gonna expire worthless, because through the dividend the Delta variant, everyone is scared. So I expect the market to go down a little bit today, and all these stocks gonna expire worthless. Tilray reported phenomenal earnings, but everyone is waiting to see if the US Congress is gonna legalize marijuana. If they do legalize marijuana on a federal stage, as you could see back in 2020, Tilray went up to $60 per share, and that stock could hit over $150 per share if they legalize marijuana. So I'm currently buying up a lot of Tilray. Sundial is kindly cheap right now, so I'm gonna continue to buy up Sundial. My goal is to buy 5,000 shares of Sundial and just hold it. It's under $1, guys, and if the marijuana sector get legalized, Sundial could be over $5 stock. So I want to get in early, and I don't mind holding Sundial, because Sundial, I'm using all the profit that I do from option and day trade to pick up shares in Sundial. So basically I'm playing with the house money on Sundial. Most of my stocks, I bought it back in March when the market was down, so I'm seeing phenomenal return. And every month I'm putting in $600 into the stock market, buying up growth and dividend companies, as you can see right here, guys. So that's how I'm gonna continue to invest in the stock market, doing trading, options, and shorting stocks, guys. So like Robinhood IPO come out yesterday, and the $38 per share, I think that was too high. So I end up shorting it. I'm gonna wait till it hit $30, and then I'm gonna pick up a couple shares, guys. So I'm gonna keep an eye closely on the IPO, and I'm gonna continue to invest like that. So that's my strategy that I use to invest in the stock market. And once you invest in the stock market, just find a strategy that works for you, and be disciplined and focus on what you want to do, and you will see it paid off in the long term. So when investing too, you gotta understand you could make short-term gain, or you could invest for the long term and see a phenomenal return. So I do both, and I'm a little bit of risk taker, so I continue to make money both way, guys. So my dividends for the month of July, every month I see my dividends keep increasing, even a $5 or $2 increase every single month. So for this month I get a dividend paid out of $113, guys. So my goal is to make sure to make $1,000 in dividends a month, and if that be the case, I could retire early and open a nice business. So if you like any contents that I'm putting out, guys, please like, subscribe, share, leave a comment in the comment section, hit the notification bell for any future updates.